Welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. I am excited to share one of the signature recipes from my family friend Radhaben, a Panama style biryani. It's incredibly delicious and packed with flavor and nutrition. And before we start the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we are going to start by heating up half a cup of oil. To that we are going to add some whole spices like cinnamon sticks, cloves and anise and bay leaves. Let that splutter for a second, and then we are going to add about 1.5 to 2 cups of chopped onions, and we are going to saute this until they are nice and soft. Now that the onions are soft, we are going to add about half a cup of garlic paste and 1/4 cup of ginger paste. And also remember that we are making this for about 11 to 12 people. And then add turmeric, and then cumin and coriander powder. And then we are going to add some chopped bell peppers. Here I have red, green and yellow. Mix well and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the bell peppers are a little bit soft. And then add about half a cup of this special spice blend, which I have posted the recipe in the description box, so please check that out. Saute this for another minute or two. Meanwhile, we have 2 cups of boiled black lentils, some chopped spring onions for garnishing, and about 6 cups of rice, which is boiled, and it's Uncle Ben's brand to be very specific. Now in a separate bowl we are going to mix the rice and lentils. So our rice and lentils are mixed, and now we also need the 2 cans of tomato paste, and we are going to add that to our mixture, and also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, and then this tomato paste, and then mix well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Also, she has boiled some corn on the cob like this, and we have cut it into the pieces like about 1 to 2 inches. So we're going to mix all this, and this looks so delicious. I couldn't resist to eat one of the corn just like this. Now we're going to add 2 medium-sized potatoes sliced and boiled, and salt to taste. So the spicy mixture is ready. We are going to add this to the rice and lentils. Mix really well. Garnish with spring onion and cilantro, and cover it and let it cook on a very low flame, stirring occasionally for about an hour so that all the flavors get absorbed very nicely. So after an hour it's ready to eat. I hope you like this recipe and find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to drop a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.